Lanier P501, how to replace the drum. Locate the button on the side of the printer, pull it towards you, remove your toner and drum unit together by the blue handle, place it down on a flat surface, locate the green handle, pull it towards you. This will remove the toner. Set the toner aside. You're left with your drum. Get your new drum, set it down, get your toner, locate the spindle on the side, the gear, lock it into place, use the green lever, push it forward. Using the blue handle, you'll take the entire unit, put it in the machine, shut the front cover, and you're ready to go.